This session is about event rules, also called trigger rules. What we're going to do in this session is create a rule that will automatically transition children when the parent reaches a certain state. In our example we have here, we have an incident related to a problem. The incident has the status in progress. The problem has the status pending CR. And what we want to do is, when the problem that is in pending CR gets transitioned to the status resolved, we want the incident status to be changed also to resolved, so that we don't have to go in manually and see what problems have been resolved and were they linked to incidents, and now we have to manually set all these incidents to the status resolved. We are going to do this automatically. And how we do this is just by defining a rule that will be kicked off for the event status change. To add a rule to the system, we go to the admin menu and select rules. And here we have an event-based rule, what to do when a topic changes status. We have included multiple updates of multiple topic categories, but the one that we are interested here is the one that is dealing with a problem and the status resolved. Having a closer look at this rule, first thing that we do in this rule is looking in the stash variable that goes with every event, whether we have to do here with a category name, a topic category of problem. If it's not a problem, because we go into this rule for every event change status, so we have to be sure that we're dealing with problem. If it's not a problem, we just go out and we continue without changing anything to the incident. The new status has to be resolved. That's another test we have to perform, because if the new status is anything else than resolved, we won't change the status of the incident. When we are then with a problem in the status resolved, now we are gonna look for all the incidents that are related to that problem, and the result of that search will be stored in the return key problem topics. From there, for each incident that we have found in our get incidents related to the problem, we are gonna go and find the the master ID, which is the ID that is stored in a database for, in this case, an incident. We are gonna get it from the stash, and for every mid that we have, we are going to change for that mid to the new status resolved, and that way incidents related to problems that get into the resolved state will automatically get into the resolved state too.